So, what is the question?
How to see the divine in others
How to see divine in others in the face of harshness,
and
cruelty? How you cannot see divine in others? That is my question.
You have to come down to our level to think.
How you cannot see divine in others? Okay,
Can you see harshness?
I'll tell you how you cannot see divine in others. Okay, so life is a set of interactions. Life is a set of relationships. Right? In the relationship, there's some different level of interaction. Sometimes it's harsh, sometimes tough, sometimes good, or sometimes bad. Now, every interaction is a learning process. Okay, if somebody shouts at you, you get angry. So you have learned that I get angry.
Do we have to?
uh,
Do we have to?
the question is, do you have to? Is a question. Okay. So now let us say, visualize in your place, a very evolved person is sitting and somebody shouts at him. How will he react?
There is a level of evolving as well. Some
Ah,
sharp,
You just think that
some
this
do
person
sharp.
doesn't know what he's saying. He's ignorant. It doesn't matter.
okay. So that person's response will be very different. I'll tell you a story of Buddha. Buddha was going through a forest. People told him, don't go in that way. Okay. Why? There's a terrorist living there. That time it's called equivalent of today's terrorist. He has killed a lot of people. His name is called Anguliwala. So what is that? That person who kills somebody and takes their thumb as a garland, show that it's like a medal. He has only killed 999 people and he has one more person to kill. So that person, Buddha, he comes in front of Buddha. Very terrible person with the big mush and with the big sword in and all the garland of this thing, right? Garland of thumbs and some bones around him and maybe heftier than Buddha. Okay, he stands in front of Buddha. Any other human being in front of him would be heartbroken, terrified. So Buddha is not terrified. He looks at him, observes him. So this Angulimala gets surprised by the reaction of Buddha. He says, are you not scared? Looking at me? No. Why should I be scared? Don't you know that my name is Angulimala? I have killed 999 people and you are the 1001? Buddha says, why should I be scared? I am so powerful, he says. Buddha says, is it so? Really? Then this question is never stuck to that person. Is being so powerful? Yes. Then he says, now if you are powerful, tell me how are you powerful? I have killed 999 people. Then Buddha says, I will accept that you are powerful if you are able to give life to one person. Killing 999 people is easy, but giving life to one person is very difficult. So you are powerful if you can give life to one person. This question is just mind-boggling to that person. And immediately Angulimala is transformed. He drops his cruelty. He becomes Buddha's disciple. And one day he gets enlightened also. Okay. So now for any situation, there is a different response compared to a conditioned action reaction response. That is what is called evolved response. Now, if somebody is harsh at you, you should be very thankful to the person because he is teaching you how unevolved you are. Where you are, what stage of evolution you are in.
That means you react.
You react. When will you grow up? He is asking you.
Maybe when we keep getting this, will we get these stimuluses still? We learn
That's what I'm saying.
to give a better response.
Why you can't see divine in him? Because that divine is coming and teaching you where you are standing in your classroom. Namaste.
Correct.
Yes, yeah.
Wait here.
So it all comes back to this.
Wait here. So how can you not see divine in him? You tell me. Huh? When he is shouting at you, he is bringing up a very reaction in you, which is actually stored earlier, so many days, right? That reaction is coming out. You are actually now getting a very good chance, opportunity to evaluate yourself where you stand.
So, is there a possibility of, based on our changes,
Ah,
evolution,
ah.
either that stops or we get immune?
It is not immunity. It is how he is helping you to evolve by that reaction. That's why you are married that person. That's why you're in that relationship. Your education is not complete. You have to evolve. That's why day in and day out you have to go through the situation until you evolve. Until you come out of the action reaction cycle, you go beyond that. You'll come. And the moment it happens, moment that change happens in you, the situation drop because your lessons are learned.
That's correct. Yes. Very correct.
Okay. So this is actually how you cannot see a divine inside person. You tell me.
He's actually helping us.
Huh?
But one more thing I've noticed. When you are on a spiritual path, then I think we get more opportunities to learn this lesson.
See what
Compared to
happens.
those that are not.
No. What happens is, okay. Does this answer your question?
Yes.
So in life, please understand, everything and every situation is guru. When you say guru is not a person, guru is a principle. Okay. A principle which teaches you is called guru. Your first guru was your mother. Through mother, not as a body, but teaching principle, you learn certain things. To talk, to eat food, to walk. Father is your guru. Your classmates are your guru. From your classmates, you learn so many things, good and bad. Your teacher is your guru. Okay, your enemy is your guru because you can learn so many things from everybody. Wherever there is learning happening and learning possible, it's called guru. And guru is God himself coming in various forms. You tell me where there is no God, where there is no guru. Every situation is guru. If somebody is hurting you, he is a guru because he is teaching you how to handle that hurt in a very responsive way. That's why it is said, Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Ena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Mena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru is not one body or one person. It is all pervading principle. In stone, in the sky, in the water, in the husband, in the wife, in the children, everywhere where you can learn even this little bit something is called guru. Now, there is a learning happens in every situation. Otherwise, evolution stops. A good or bad husband or wife or children, constantly there is learning. You forget that learning. You treat that person as son or husband. You please understand there is no son or husband. There's only guru everywhere, guru principle everywhere. Guru comes in various ways. The teaching is happening. Are you ready to learn? Are you becoming Shishya? The learning principle is called Shishya. The teaching principle is called Guru. The only one relationship exists in the world is called Guru Shishya. Every other relationship is false. Husband and wife, mother and children, all relationships are false. There's only one relationship which is eternal is Guru Shishya. Learning principle is called Shishya. Teaching principle is called Guru. Now, Guru is God himself, awareness himself. So how can you not see the divine everywhere? How can you miss that? What is it you have to learn? You have to learn a mature response to a situation. You learn not reactions. You have to come out of the reactionary mode. You have to come from the karmic impressions and you have to handle this relationship in a very, very mature way.
It has to be both sides, no?
No, it's only one side, your side.
Yeah, we can't change it.
Why? That person is very good actually. The teacher, when the child makes a mistake in the class, the teacher gives, okay, write it 20 times. No, I have to change the teacher. Why?
But then this learning is never complete.
It's complete when you learn. Have you learned?
What is the definition of learning? And where is the stage that you have?
Where you are not disturbed internally, where you are able to handle the situation in a very mature way, your peace within himself, and your peace reflects the other person and also calms him down. Instead of 1 plus 1 becoming 2, 2 plus 2 becoming 4, okay, or rather multiplying, the problem is getting multiplied, the problem starts coming down. People don't become a part of the problem, people become a part of the solution. That's a mature response. So you cannot call a teacher as a bad teacher and so, no, I don't want a bad teacher. You should be happy that you got such a teacher. A tough teacher will teach you more. What?
You have some more
And a tough one